Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the tempo and stance so your body answers the music instantly. Count a steady 4-beat pulse for the first 8 bars, then step into a shoulder-width stance with weight on the balls of your feet so you can pivot and snap quickly. Once done, relax your elbows and ready your hands for crisp accents. This matters because the trend relies on tight arm pops that sell each beat. Make sure to rehearse those first 4 counts slowly, then speed up. Now string the core moves together with intention. Execute a 2-step slide and add a heel dig on beat 3 to punctuate the phrase, because that tiny delay creates the trend's bounce. Once you've nailed that, pop your chest and flow into a shoulder roll on the snare. This contrast gives the routine its character. For transitions, pivot 90 degrees and sweep your arm cleanly to reframe the shot. Practicing that reset makes the sequence look effortless and keeps camera focus where you want it. Finish strong with a stylized 2-count lean toward the camera while holding an open palm. This sells confidence and frames the ending. After the run, play back the critical 50-second clip and inspect timing, foot placement, and facial energy. Small eyes and smile shifts matter. If things go wrong, slow everything to 75% speed and isolate the offending move until it's clean, because incremental corrections lock muscle memory faster. Once it's fixed, run full speed takes until the sequence feels automatic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.